All right, so we are about to install a new washer fluid container. See how this goes. All right, so for some reason, it is actually gonna be pretty easy. All right, so this is the washer fluid container. Pretty much what I got going on when I put fluid in here is leaking down right about here. So it is what it is. It's supposed to be 3 bolts that put this in. I'm guessing just looking at it, it's probably a 15. So it's 1 bolt here, and then on this one, it's another bolt right here. All right, so there's actually supposed to be a 3rd bolt back up in there. All right, but you can't see it, but it is not there. So good news for me. So I was wrong. I'm pretty sure it's a 13 millimeter. Voila, it was right. Literally only 2 bolts, so. Alright. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. We got our nice new handy dandy joint. So this one. Alright. Pop that on. All we did, took this hose, popped this hose on. Alright. We'll fishnet this in here. Fish this in here. Get it back in its resting spot. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect my adapters first. So literally the only things that I have left to do are pop my bolts in, which are too easy at this point. Too easy. Okay. Maybe. Nope. I think it's crossed through it. Boy, that fucking sucks. Monkey balls. Alright. So, that's as good as it's gonna get on that one. Use this funnel. Eat this one. So apparently, my little hose came right the fuck off. Weirdest thing ever. All right. Just like that. We are official again. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. And that is official, team no leak. All right. Appreciate you joining. Like, share, and subscribe.